Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about resizing the right way in Photoshop. With this, let's start the day 4 of our program, the 30 days mastering Photoshop. So let's begin. With Photoshop, I have this image already drag and drop open in the Photoshop. Generally, if we resize, we use going to image and then image size, and then we enter the size, the pixels or the dimensions as we want. But we do not do it too specifically. So let's have a look. If I go to image, then image size, it will open this dialog box. Right now the image size is this much and the dimension is written here. So here is the width and height, and you see there is a proportional icon in between them, and also here I can choose from which dimension I want, like inches, centimeter, millimeter, pixels, anything. So right now I'm working for web, so I will be using pixels. And here is resolution also. Right now the image resolution is 96, which is good enough for web photograph. I have just to use 72. What is here resample? If I tick on it, it's right now checked. If I uncheck it, you can see it has all the three proportional to each other. That means if I increase the width, it increases or it arranges the height and resolution according to that. And if I increase the height, it changes the width according and resolution according to that. But I don't want my resolution to be hampered, so check resample, be at automatic. By default it is. And if you fill it at 300 resolution, for if you are working on for print, you can see it has resample in the preview area. But on 100% this image is getting quite pixelated, so I will be, as I'm working for web, so this is perfect for that. I'm again entering it at 72. Now it's at 100% view. This image is quite good enough, and I don't want the dimensions to be in centimeter. Again switch it to pixels, and you can see whatever. If I enter 600, if the height is according to that set, and if I give the height about, say, a width, anything I can just change. I set it 3200 or 2000 in the height. The width is automatically set at 3200. That is reserving the original ratio of the image. And if I hit OK, you can see it will take some time, and this will edit it as the size that I have given it. So it's done. We have resized, and without hampering the resolution and even without pixelations, we have the results now after the resizing. So this way you can use any of your picture and resize it for or your repurpose the old projects for the new ones. Like you can use the old photographs for any new web projects or new print projects without dragging and resizing it manually. You can just ask the Photoshop to do it for you. So if you like the content, do hit like button and share it with your friends. With this, it's the end of the day 5, and hit the subscribe button and bell icon to do not miss the next video.